Hello everyone. Welcome to Magical Trading Strategy. In this video, I will test a really interesting indicator by Chris Moody that claims to have a high success rate. First indicator is CM Slingshot System, by Chris Moody. 22,900 people saved this indicator, which shows it is very popular. Here we use the default settings of this indicator. Now, if we want to take an overview of this indicator indicates the entry point for long trades with green arrows. And when the green triangles are at the bottom of the chart, it indicates an upward trend. And when the red triangles are at the top of the chart, we have to look for short position, because we are in a downtrend. The second indicator is based on volume. It is called Volume Flow Indicator by Lazy Bear. This is also a popular indicator, of course. We have to make some changes in the settings, in the input section. We change these numbers. In the style section, we make the lines a little wider, to be seen better on the chart. The signals we get from the combination of these two indicators are reliable signals. Of course, false signals are issued, but we eliminate those signals by creating a series of conditions. So we are looking for reliable signals. You can use this strategy in low time frames, for example, 5 minutes and 15 minutes. And please, even if you are a professional, be sure to test this strategy before the actual trade in paper trading, TradingView website. Let's see what conditions we need to enter the shorts position. First, you need to check that you are in a downward trend. You should see the red triangles at the top of the chart. And the trend lines turn red. This indicator determines the entry points for us, by moving the price, and hitting it on the chart. The second condition is, to see this red arrow, we are looking for more conditions, to be more confident and eliminate wrong positions. Well, let's move on to the next condition. Here we have a zero line on our second indicator, which is very important to us. To enter shorts, these two yellow and green lines must be below the zero line. And what is the last condition? For shorts positions, the green line should be below the orange line. I will review it again. We saw the red triangles at the top of the chart. We also saw a red arrow. The green line is below the orange line, and both lines are below the zero line, so this is the best entry point for us. We will open the position on the next candlestick for more reassurance. Based on ATR, we can determine our stop loss. Before you enter the trade and for taking profit and exit strategies, I recommend 1.5 risks to reward. And this way, our position is closed here, and we get a good profit from our trade. Here, we have three conditions, but the green line is above the orange line, so we will not enter this position. We have to wait until the green line comes below the orange line, so we can enter later. For long trades, all conditions are reversed. The first condition is that we recognize the uptrend. When the green triangles are below the charts, and the trend lines on the chart turn green, our trend is upward. We see the green arrow pointing up here, as the second condition. Note that both lines are above the zero line. And the green line is above the orange line. So the best entry point for us is at the closing of this candlestick. Before you enter the trade, and for take profit and exit strategies, I recommend 1.5 risks to reward. Thank you for watching Magical Trading Strategy, and be sure to subscribe and turn on notification, because more incredible content is on the way.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off.